Welcome to today's video. All of a sudden, I had the motivation to just get up and film a video. No plan, no strategy, just was like, okay, let's put on some makeup. It's my weekend off from work. Let's just film a video. So, okay. Um, it's a little bit of a weird feeling today because I got up, like I made the plan yesterday of just being like, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna film. And um, today is my dad's birthday, my late father's birthday. He died in April of 2020. Today is March 29th, 2026. So it's been a while. But yeah, of course, today I think about him, and I think a, I think in a weird way, it got me motivated because I know how he would want me to live a better life. He would want me to do all of the things that I am attempting to do. And so, in his honor, um, that's what I'm doing with my life. I'm going to try to fulfill all the dreams that he never got to see me accomplish. However, I do still have my mom, so that's something. And but anyway, that's not what this video is about. I want to stay on a positive note. See, this is a problem. Why am I going out of focus? Okay, so that's not what this video is about. I'm going to get into the real topic of this video, which is I'm going to go in ChatGPT and I'm going to figure out the strategy for my life. I have a background document on all of the things that I've done in as far as business, but I want to really write out all of the things just about me in general, just my personality, what type of goals I have, what I want to accomplish, just so that it can really have a strong like backstory on me. Because I feel like when I ask it to give me outputs now, it doesn't really, I feel like it tells me information that I can't really accomplish with my skill set and my background and what I'm able to do. So I think it's better if I just sit down and just be like, okay, this is me. What can you suggest as far as a strategy for number one? Let's recap the goals. I feel like I at least need to establish maybe 3 sources of income. So number one is going to be YouTube, where I'm posting this. Number 2 is going to be my newsletter, where, well, number 2 is a little bit optional because right now I'm kind of like trying to decide on not necessarily digital products versus physical products, but I have both. So I have a print on demand sort of like digital products that help. I have Splendor Studio, which is a few digital products that I created to help people that want to have an online boutique, specifically selling like print on demand products, but also just any type of e-commerce online boutique where they have to track their inventory, maybe especially for beginners that want to start a print on demand boutique and they need to come up with their niche and stuff like that. So that site is dedicated to digital products. Then I have actual print on demand apparel, print on demand online boutique that sells apparel, which is this is a dress. You can't really see it, but this is a dress that I have on, and it is available on my shop, which is Shop Splendor. But the thing is, I feel like I want to experiment with some other ideas, and so I think if I can come up with like one strategy, if I just sit down, I'm like, okay, I have an idea of I want to create an ebook or I want to create some sort of digital product that I can sell on Etsy. I've sold on Etsy before. I'm thinking maybe I can come up with something and it will be a little bit easier to be able to tell if I'm being successful with it, if it's working, if it's not working. I can tweak the SEO. It would be a little bit easier for me to come up with, easier for me to be able to see if the progress, if I'm making any progress or not. I feel like with other options, like it's a little bit more difficult because with Etsy, it's like you put it up there, it's already on a marketplace. So you could possibly get traffic to it pretty quickly. Whereas the other options are I have to like run Facebook ads, or I have to do a ton of like organic social media post marketing and all that. So I just want something where I can do some research, come up with an item, put it up on Etsy, and then just get some results so I can see if what I'm doing is working or not. So that's another idea, and we shall see what my next plan is. But today, that was the goal, and I just wanted to come on and just say, like, listen, today is going to be the day where I sit down with AI and figure out what I'm doing with my life, and then I'm going to implement that strategy so you can follow along with me. Maybe you're even doing it yourself. Do you have a strategy that you came up with with your collaboration with AI? Let me know in the comments, and yeah, let's keep this going. I will keep you updated, and thank you for watching.